Mr. Puneet Dugal, Managing Director of Capcom Group. They are into machines, they are into packaging, they are into flavors, they are into whatnot. Everything about ice cream, anybody wants to know. Puneet not only gives all these solutions, but he also provides you lots of advice, lots of global experience. Puneet, when we are talking about global things, you are representing almost like all the leading companies from Europe, from China. What is the difference you see between Indian ice cream manufacturers and the ice cream industry and the manufacturers in Europe?
Yes, Ferozi, what you are saying is correct, that there is a difference between Indian ice cream manufacturers. There was a difference between Indian ice cream manufacturers and the European manufacturers. But now things are changing. In India, there are so many companies, those who have become very, very, high technology, very hygienic, very well organized. And now in India, today, it will not be wrong by saying that in coming next 5 years, there will be a next level of automation available in the industry. As we know that India is growing almost to the capacity of 10 to 15% averagely per year with all the big companies. So I see a lot of potential wherein very soon India will cross the total consumption of ice cream as compared to Europe. And in India now, a lot of companies, they are increasing their capacities to provide the best experience to the customers. Since we know that in India, the population is 1.5 billion people. And I personally believe the right move is you have to make the ice cream available at the right price, right point, and right place. So the product will sell by itself.
Wonderful. In the past couple of years, you have been working a lot with gelatos, right? From ice creams machine, gelato machines to their flavors and all the other solutions. How do you see the journey of gelato in India? Because it is relatively new, and people are, they don't know the difference between ice cream and gelato until and unless they eat it. तो आप क्या difference देखते हैं और आपको क्या लगता है कि gelato किस तरह से इंडिया में further grow करेगा?
Well, this is indeed a very good question which I would love to answer and ask you first a question. As a common man, not as Mr. Feroz Naqvi, an ice cream expert, I would say, tell me what is the difference according to you between the ice cream and a gelato?
When I have it, it is more smoother, it is fresher than the other ice cream, and I have seen more flavors and range in gelatos than the ice creams, I believe.
I'm sorry, I've asked you a wrong person, I guess, because he knows a lot of about gelato. So, what he said is absolutely correct. Gelato means fresh, first of all, and gelato means more creamier, whereas it is not made with the cream, it is made with a fresh milk and low fat, first of all. It means it is made fresh, it is sold fresh, and sold by a dedicated parlor. Normally, as a consumer in India, a lot of people, they misunderstand. They think gelato means a heavier ice cream and more heavy, more sugar, and of course costly. But what he said is absolutely correct. It means more fresh. It means absolutely, in fact, I'm so sorry. It means fresh ice cream. It does not mean that it is a heavy ice cream. So I would like to, tell a lot of people by this medium of your channel that when you're eating gelato, think it is gelato because it is an Italian product, but it means you are eating fresh and healthy ice creams. Thank you.
Wonderful, very nice answer. Do you see that more because the reach of ice cream is still a concern in India? So, what solution do you see to reach far places where ice creams are not available? Because buying power is increasing day by day in India. Even in the rural India, if we see purchasing power has increased, lots of white goods, ACs, cars are sold in rural India. So why not gelatos and ice creams?
What do you think about the road network of our country?
Yeah, it is improving.
So the answer is here in my question and his reply. The more roads will improve, the more mobilization of refrigeration cars will be there to the rural India. The more electricity will improve, the more air conditioners, refrigerators will sell, which in turn will make sure that the ice cream is selling more. So I would say, if you want to see what is the total number of, how the ice cream sale in India will increase, check in which area more refrigerator and conditions are being sold. When you are sitting in an air conditioned room, you feel a lot of dryness. So you like to eat more ice creams. So when the electricity is increasing, these equipments will increase. To eat an ice cream, you need a refrigerator. It's a similar question. How will you increase the sale of petrol? Increase the sale of cars. The petrol will sell. So if the electricity is improving, the road infra is improving, ice cream sale will grow by itself.
One more last question I want to ask you. I made a promise when I was, promoting this event before the show. किसी को एक जिलेटो का पार्लर लगाना है, वो कम से कम कितने क्या उसको खर्च करना पड़ेगा फॉर द इंटायर सोल्यूशन अपार्ट फ्रॉम द इंटीरियर ऑफ द पार्लर, आइसक्रीम को बनाने के लिए, उसको सर्व करने के लिए और उसके फ्लेवर्स के लिए? आपका क्या सजेशन है? क्या वो आपके पास आने चाहिए, और अगर आएंगे तो कितना उनको मिनिमम खर्च कितना करना पड़ेगा?
I'm very sad that he said this is the last question, although I can speak to him for another 2-3 hours. So unfortunately, it's the last question, so I don't have any choice anyways. So now, yes, it is a very, valuable question that he has asked. Usually, I say I'm not against the industrial ice cream at all, but I personally love to promote more gelato, which is why I'm here promoting the gelato machines or the fresh ice cream machines. You can start the business from 5 lakh rupees, goes up to 15-20 lakh rupees, and to no limit, maybe 1 crore, 2 crore. But yes, if you want to start, you can start between 5 to 10 lakhs. Again, I'm repeating, please don't use this when you come to me by saying that I said that. This is just a start. You can start with less than 5 lakhs, up to 20 lakhs. For a decent size of the line, we can teach you how to do a beginning, how to make a start. We have a R&D training center in Delhi where we can provide you training to learn the fresh ice cream manufacturing from the scratch. So I would like to welcome all of you, those who want to be with us for the training. Under this video, you will see our numbers. Hopefully, if he doesn't mind to put them, I will do that. To contact us, and we will let you know what is the next step behind it. Thank you.
Thank you, Puneet. As you know, there's a limitation on YouTube. It should not be long, but definitely we will have part 2 of this talk later on someday.
I hope he doesn't cut this. Please let me know if he's cutting anything.
No, we are not going to cut anything. Every word is golden word from your mouth. Thank you so much, Puneet.
Thank you.